Let's get ready to rev up those engines. It's Herman Munster's Tech Talk. Yay!
What is so funny?
It'll kill you.
I was a little late for that, but go ahead.
I just invented something to keep the inside of my car quiet. It fits right over her mouth. And if you think that...
Herman even went on tour with his Automotive Tech Talk. Check this out.
I've been asked to come out here and, entertain you. One time Abraham Lincoln was asked, even have an invention for keeping the inside of the car quiet. It fits right over her mouth.